Hello everyone. In this video, we will see how to change the frame size in Adobe Premiere Pro. So, let's get started. First of all, let's navigate to Adobe Premiere Pro and open it. As you can see, I have already opened it on my PC. To start the process, let's navigate to the Media tab and double-click to open the Media library. Select the files and click the Open button. Once the media file is imported into the Media tab, drag it onto the timeline. You can see that the frame doesn't fit the video properly and needs to be resized according to the video. On the top left side, open the Effects Control panel and select the Motion effect. The adjustment handles are activated, so you can drag from the handles to resize the frame manually. You can change the scale value until you find the frame fit according to the video. There is another way to do this, but first, undo the changes by pressing Ctrl+Z on the keyboard and right-click on the video clip in the timeline. From this menu, scroll down to find and select Set to Frame Size. This will automatically adjust the frame size. The third method is to navigate to the sequence from the top menu and open Sequence Settings. In the new sequence window, adjust the frame size by adding values manually. Adjust the settings according to your project requirements, and then press Enter to confirm and click OK to move on to the next step. You can see the frame size is changed, but the video is not fit in this frame. Simply double-click on the video in the Preview tab and adjust it by stretching from the handles. Once you are done, let's have a preview. And that's it. This is how you can change the frame size in Adobe Premiere Pro. If you found this video useful, please show your support with a like. Your feedback is invaluable to us, so feel free to share your thoughts and suggestions in the comments section below. We're eager to hear from you.